Once you've entered the website, you're going to see this blank page over here. To start, you can just click anywhere. Actually, you're going to click this green button in the corner, and this creates a box. I recommend with this mind map that you start off with yourself. So just writing me in the middle, that way that you're able to then branch off of that. And when you want to add more boxes, there's two ways you can do it. You see when I hover my mouse over the box that there's the option here to add a bubble. Again, you can also click the green button in the bottom right-hand corner as well to add. So you click add a bubble, okay? And then I can do, something like my family. You'll see there's a bunch of features that are highlighted. The arrow is the most important one. That's really going to be connecting all of your ideas. So I want to connect me to my family. I do an arrow just like so. Okay, and let's say I want to branch off of me again. Okay, I can do another one and it'll put it like underneath. Okay, same thing. You type something, right? And then again, and you just keep on going like that. All right, and so really, this is very free form. But that was just to show you how to add the different bubbles. Definitely feel free to get creative with it. When you're done, you'll see there's a bunch of options up here. To download it, you can click this and save it as a JPG or PNG image. You can also screenshot it, whatever is easier. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.